What's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the Subaru. So today we throw on the work wheels on the car. The main reason I didn't put them on was first one, I didn't have tires yet, so I got them off. So now I have tires. And the second part was I had to get this wheel bearing changed and I couldn't do it. That thing was really stuck in there and I didn't have an air hammer, a compressor air hammer. And yeah, so the guys over there at First Class Auto took it out, got it done quick, and it was easy, and now it works fine and there's no more noise, because it had a lot of noise. It sounded like this wheel was gonna fall right off sooner or later. So I didn't really want to do this until I got that fixed, because I do need to first change the spacers, but to do that I need to put the new lug studs, wheel studs, and replace all those. So I'm gonna do that and then put the spacers on and put everything back together, and I should be able to throw on the wheels. So yeah, that's two reasons why I didn't do it, because of this. This was holding me back, and the tires. But I already had the tires, but I can't really do anything until I got this replaced. I tried, but no. These things suck. Pain in the ass. I don't recommend this job to anybody. I would rather just take it to a shop, because they got all the tools necessary for this job. Everything else, I mean, yeah. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked, pretty ready for the wheels, and I can't wait to get them on. They're gonna look sick compared to the boring stock wheels I have right now. And yeah, so I do miss some aftermarket wheels on the car. I will be lowering it a little bit, because it kind of does seem kind of high. But yeah, I'm just gonna put those spacers here, and then the back ones, I don't really think I need spacers. I think they fit fine. The only reason why I'm gonna run the spacers to clear the Brembo here, or else it won't fit with the new wheels. So yeah. Also, I think I need to cut all this, because this is all ripping apart. I did take off my side-on lip just so I don't scratch it, because their shop has a pretty crazy incline. But yeah, overall, let's get this done, and then we'll go from there. And hopefully these come out pretty fast. I mean, they're not too hard. It's just wheel studs, so just bang them out, put the new ones in, bang them out, put the new ones in. So the ones in the back, I hope I don't have to do, but we'll see how the wheel looks on the car in the back. If not, I'll do it some other day, because that's gonna be time consuming, and I don't got that much time today. So yeah, this is gonna be an easy job. Well, hopefully, because you know, everything turns from 10 minutes to 2, 3, 4 hours. But yeah, let me throw this on really quick, and then we'll go from there. All right. All right, guys, for the wheel stud installation, I got this one from Amazon special. But basically, it's gonna make it easier to get the wheel studs in. You could do the old-fashioned way, or your own wheel lug nuts and stuff. But basically, this has a spinning interior, and you just put the new wheel stud in there. Easy peasy. So let me do the other ones really quick, and then we'll go from there. So I'm finally done. Got all the wheels on the car. I did order other spacers for the back, but it looks like I'm not gonna use them since they don't rub against the caliper. So and there's enough space in there, probably more than the front right now. But yeah, the Brimbos fit fine in the back, and it's only the front where it was having rubbing issues, and I could not put these wheels on without putting a spacer on. I think I can run maybe even a smaller one. Right now I'm running 15, but I think I can run maybe even a 13. I don't know, we'll see. But for now, I did adjust the camber a little bit in the front, made them a little bit more tucked in. I'm gonna blow the car, but first I need to put on my lip back on. See, there's no lip. I'm gonna throw that sucker back on, and then yeah. But overall, it looks nice. Can't wait. I'm gonna go after this, take some photos and maybe some video. I think I do need to wash the car, but I'm not gonna do a whole detailing wash since I don't have much time. I'm just gonna do a basic wash. But overall, yeah, so I'm just gonna do a little cinematic at the end on how the car looks. And yeah, so now let me just finish this out so I could go take some pictures and some video and post it on Instagram. And the video will be up after probably. So yeah, all right, until the next video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.